Hey loves, welcome back to Simply Subrena. I'm Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video, and I'm excited about this video. It's been so long since I had brought y'all natural hair videos, but guess what? That is all that's on the schedule for summer 2018, okay? So if you're new here, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. And if you just want to join the love, definitely make sure you thumbs up this video if you liked it, if you found it helpful, to share the love. It really helps my channel out and I really do appreciate it. So yeah, my hair. Confession. I have not had a hair regimen since I big chopped. Back in like 2015, whenever that was. Yeah. Y'all. Life happens, okay? I'm busy, okay? But honestly, I feel like my hair has hit kind of a plateau because I haven't been treating my hair as good as I used to treat my hair, or when I am actively on a hair journey, whether it's length, health, whatever it is. I ain't been doing none of that, okay? But this is basically summer rehab for my hair. I'm gonna bring you guys 8 weeks of a hair care regimen. Now, I don't know if this regimen is gonna stay forever, but it might, because I will be trying out different techniques and things or recipes that I've never tried before, or I used to do a long time ago and have never done them since then. So I'm basically sorting my way back through a hair care regimen, to be honest. Oh yeah, so we are on a summer hair care regimen and I'm so excited to bring you guys this regimen. It's going to be a weekly routine. And you know, I might throw in a few styles here and there, like for instance this bomb wash and go. Mind you, the last time I did a wash and go was when I big chopped. So we're gonna go ahead and put that comparison picture up now because yo, it's a world of a difference. But it's summer. I'm excited for this summer. Is anyone else excited? I'm excited. I got a few trips planned. So anyways, so yeah, this is week 1 of the summer hair care regimen, and this week we did a detox, and basically it was a detox slash clarifying week. I wanted to rid my hair of just everything that it's been going through, kind of reset it, kind of say I'm sorry to it. So I did a Rhassoul clay wash, which I've been meaning to try out. I bought the Rhassoul clay like ages ago, and this is the first time actually using it, but I loved it. So that is definitely going to be a staple in my regimen ongoing. I will probably do that once a month to clarify. There's another clarifying technique I'm going to show you guys probably the next 3 weeks out, because I'm basically clarifying my hair once a month. This is going to be an 8-week regimen. You guys got me for 2 months. 2 months of consistent natural hair care regimen videos, okay? So on the 4th week, I'm gonna try out another clarifying technique, see which one I like more. I feel like the Rhassoul clay is gonna be A1, but we gonna see. So yeah, so this week was more detox kind of week, resetting my hair. I did also film this wash and go, but anyways, that's enough for the intro. Make sure you subscribe. Let's go ahead and get on to week 1 of the summer hair care regimen. Things you'll need for your clay wash. Of course, Rhassoul clay. I got mine from Amazon. Check the haul below. Apple cider vinegar. You can use any brand. This is with the mother. You'll need some water. This is just tap water, you guys. I just put it in the bottle. And of course, your applicator bottle that you're going to use. This is 8 ounces. A measuring cup. This is half a cup. A funnel. Let's get into it. So of course you're going to take your applicator bottle with your funnel, and it's going to make applying your Rhassoul clay so much easier. And I did use a full half cup of Rhassoul clay for my mixture. It equals about 3 ounces in the bottle. Then I added, first I was going to do half a cup, but then I was just like, let's just go ahead and do it even, 2 ounces of apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going to fill the rest up with water. Tip, I would suggest you mixing your water and clay before you add the apple cider vinegar, because it is acidic. So when you go to shake it up and you release your hand off of the top, it is going to spout out some of the product. So it's about 4 ounces of water,
3 ounces of clay. Mix that first and then probably add your apple cider vinegar after, or you could just do it with plain old water. So I did mine's a very liquid consistency because I want it to be easy to apply. This is what I'm starting out with. This is a week after trying to do a wash and go for the first time in like years, and I used so much product. Product was literally falling out of my hair, you guys. Look at all that product. So yeah, my hair is looking crazy. It really needed to really be cleansed and detoxed. So first I'm going to start off with basically just rinsing my hair and trying to get all of that gel and gunk and product out of my hair before I even go in with the clay wash. So now I'm going to go and start applying my clay wash, and I'm going to apply directly to my scalp first, start massaging that in because I definitely want to get my scalp clean as well. And once that's fully massaged and I feel like that's clean, I'll go ahead and apply the clay wash down the strand of my hair. This clay wash is amazing for detangling your hair, you guys. It's crazy. You don't think it would be, but it is. This is one of the benefits of Rhassoul clay that I did read about. So yeah, like detangling my hair was a breeze, you guys. Like my hair was literally just sliding through. Mind you, I did not detangle my hair before I started this wash day. And just look at my curls. Like it definitely defines your curls. It just, anything clay or herb or Ayurvedic, you guys, I'm telling you, it snaps your hair back into shape. You guys have to try this out. But I absolutely loved it. So basically that's all I'm going to do for the remainder of my hair. After I'm done applying the clay wash to all sections of my hair, I then go back and, because I had a lot left over, you guys, so you probably don't need to make all 8 ounces if your hair is shorter than mine, but I just went back and applied more to my scalp, massaged it in more, because I really wanted to make sure that my scalp and my hair was clean because I knew I had a lot of product on it. And eventually I just started using the clay wash on my body, and then I decided to save some to use it on my face in my shower routine. But Rhassoul clay is definitely a one. So after that, I immediately went and rinsed it out. I know some people let the clay sit on their hair for about 20 minutes or so. I just went ahead and washed it out because I am using it as just a shampoo, not necessarily a treatment, even though you still get all the benefits of it for the duration that the clay wash is on your hair. So I just rinsed it out, and my hair, you guys, look how moisturized and soft and just healthy. My hair looked so good and it felt so good. I was so surprised. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my deep conditioning treatment, and this is the Eden Body Works jojoba and Monoi deep conditioner. It is so thick, you guys, but I do like using it because of how thick it is. It's not that easy to detangle your hair with because it's so thick. Well, not at first, it wasn't, but I do apply a deep conditioner, then I go in and finger detangle a little bit, and then I go in with my shower comb to further detangle. And after I do that, I'll just twist the section up, pin it up, and go through all sections. And then after that, I will go ahead and finish out my shower routine, go ahead and shower, and then I did rinse my hair with very cool water. And this is my hair, freshly washed with no product in it. This is after deep conditioner. You can tell my hair is so spongy, so soft, so full of moisture. Like, my hair is happy right now. So this wash day was definitely a success. I definitely love the result from this clay wash. Like I said, it is a staple now, definitely. Let me know if you guys have tried this before, the results that you got. Let me know if you are going to try it in the future. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.